to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. As you see my reflection there. Eventually I'll do a face-on opening up of these. I've got a whole bunch of other stuff I want to show off. But we're back with another cool Chic auto, 132 scale. This is the Mercedes-AMG C63 DTM. Now the same as the, I think it was number 2, blue one that I opened the other day with the BMW. This was at my local Kmart. This is 15 Australian dollars. The weird pullback. Just got it on a paintbrush mount here just to give it the right angle. Let's have a look. So we do have a mobile phone holder and holds pens. I forgot to actually show that on my previous video. I even took a picture of the side. Cool Chic auto. What else is there other than AMG official licensed? We do have the hologram on here, so my hand over where the light's shining there, you can see it. Not much else underneath. It is distributed. This is Australian delivery of Kmart and also New Zealand, and Target in Australia also supply these. There were 3 in the initial release. I got the first 2, was all that was available, but I went to a different Kmart and picked up the 3rd one there. Not that that's what I was looking for. We do have several tabs to cut open. I will put this on my 132 scale car transport. It may actually displace one of the very small, supposedly 132 scale DeLorean Back to the Future from previous video that I did. I have kept the boxes for these. I really don't think I'm going to keep this mobile phone holder thing. The car itself is really good, and my idea is that getting the 3rd one, it's a lot cheaper than buying a slot car, which is also 132 scale, and my idea is to make a 132 scale slot car track diorama. I have a lot of stuff, that's why I have the truck. I have a lot of slot cars, and putting an expensive slot car in the middle of the track as for display purposes is a bit of a waste. I mean, you can use it to race, but you know, $15, and these look really good, so they'll sit on the shelf until I get around to doing that. We have Sport for Good, Decra ADAC, that's a class I believe. The other ones had that with number 1 and 2 on them. Actually no, number 2 had it because the same class. Daniel Jan Cadilla, I'm not sure how to pronounce the name there. Little antennas facing the wrong way. Hard plastic, but it can bend. Okay, there we go. Alright, we will take this off. Mercedes-AMG C63 DTM. This C63 DTM led Wickens to the best Mercedes-AMG placement during the 2016 season, which included a 4th place finish in the overall standings. Alright. 4 screws. I won't use these as a desktop holder. I like to actually display my things out. Have a look and see if there's anything different between this particular one and the blue one that we opened. I doubt it. See if that's enough to take it off. No, we need a little bit further. So 15 Australian dollars, what's that? 11 or $12 US. Now these are long screws. That's already out. That's out. Something's hanging on. There we go, was that one. Alright. This display is pretty cool. If you want to display it on the shelf, it takes up a lot of room though. We do have... It's not a sticky this time, it is a piece of plastic. But it does seem to have... Oh, actually it's like a piece of tape. Not taking any of the decals off or paint jobs, so that's good. Alright, let's throw that away. Doors do open. Both sides. Left-hand drive. White roll cage. Look, I think it's the same as the other one. These are rubber tyres. No grips on them. Like the previous one. Yep. Now, this has front... I'm not even sure what these are. Whether they're supposed to be a motor housing. They seem fixed. Someone can actually let me know. Nobody has yet. It's got an ANCO 1024. So it's definitely a 2024 release. Still don't know how to get this out. I don't know whether it's got a weight in there. The BMW had it at the rear, so I'm not sure whether it's a mid-mounted BMW. I very much doubt that. Look, they look like a nice car. They're very much a nice shelf sitter. You could potentially get inside, and if you were to take it apart, which is Phillips head there and there, you could get in and potentially paint the interior to make it a little more detailed. It's just black. Mostly just black. Actually, it looks like... It does look like there's a bit of a light there that can shine up. Is that what that does? Someone can let me know there whether we're supposed to back this up enough to make it... Let's try this. No, that didn't seem to do anything. Not sure whether these are supposed to spin and make it do it, but it actually looks like it's got a light in there. Yeah, I wonder. Yet to work that out. If someone can write something in, if you've been able to find it out. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll be opening up some more diecast video coming very soon. Cheers. Bye.